What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. So we've talked several times about advancements in blockchain technology and about things that may be here already and are going to be coming our way. Well, this article just came out that Mayo Clinic taps into blockchain technology for clinical trial design. So let's go ahead and get into this. But first, before we do, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell too. Then that way you'll know when all the ClearCryptos content is live for your viewing pleasure. So on Thursday, Dutch blockchain startup Traill with 2 L's announced that it partnered with American nonprofit medical center Mayo Clinic to optimize clinical trial design and management of study data. So if you're not familiar with Mayo Clinic, they do a lot of obviously clinical trials. They specialize in educational medicinal education, stuff like that, training, all sorts of stuff. They're a nonprofit organization, obviously. So they do big things in the medical world. So it's very cool, obviously, to see that blockchain technology is getting further integrated into our daily lives by announcing, obviously, this partnership with Mayo Clinic, which is obviously a huge I guess what if you want to call it, it's not really, I guess it is a company. We'll call it huge company. Okay. Now, the software will support activities such as data capture, document management, study monitoring, and consent. As told by Traill, again with 2 L's, the purpose of the collaboration is to demonstrate an immutable public ledger audit trail through its blockchain technology for boosting clinical integrity. So this is very cool because obviously once stuff happens on the blockchain, right, it is permanently coded in. Nothing can change it. It cannot be modified. And that's good, obviously, because if there's a lot of people that are looking at this data, obviously there's a chance that some of it could be changed. So it's obviously a great way to lock that in. So again, using blockchain technology for all these different things, obviously this just being one of them, is a very cool thing because again, it brings further integration, not just for crypto, but for blockchain in general into our daily lives. And a big part of this, I guess a good way of describing it is there has been more development there's been more technological advances in the last 5 years than there was in the last 2 decades, which is, I guess even the 2 decades prior to that, which is just insane. So technology is advancing at a faster and faster rate. So if you start to have things like, for example, blockchain technology that can start to phase out some of these older dated systems, it's going to allow things to, happen faster, more securely, because obviously security, when it comes to these sort of things is a very large deal. Now this, I do have to point out that, Traill, the blockchain does have a native token designed for the ecosystem utilities, such as for payment of compensation to clinical trial participants. If successful, Traill plans to further collaborate with the Mayo Clinic in the realm of decentralized medical research. So very cool stuff that, again, is advancing the way that we do things in our day-to-day life. Now, again, this is always just for, informational purposes. We do this obviously just to keep you guys informed. This is not financial advice. Do it for your entertainment as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, feel free to go ahead, hit that like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe, hit that little bell, because again, that way you'll know when all of our content is there and ready for you to check out. And we hope you obviously continue to do that. We're really ramping up here. We're producing as much content as we can. Tons of great stuff to bring your way. And I really hope to see you guys in